Good afternoon, ma'am. We would like to ask you some questions about the RH bill. First of all, do you have any idea about RH bill? If yes, what would it be?
Yes, I have an idea about RH bill. I think RH bill is a bill implemented in the Congress. I think it is about the birth control pill and the maternal child health. That's only the idea that I know about RH bill.
Do you agree or disagree in implementing this bill?
Um, about this bill, I disagree, first of all, because they said that we are overpopulated, but actually we're not. It is only the urban areas like Manila which is overpopulated. So we do not need the RH bill, right? Because RH bill is to decrease population. Next would be it will decrease the human dignity because it would implement premarital sex, and it would violate the God's rule.
If the RH bill will be implemented, what would happen to our country?
If it is implemented in our country, in my own opinion, I think it would be the Congress that would benefit because money would be it is involved in that bill. A lot of money, of course, because in terms of birth control pills, you need money in buying condoms and intrauterine devices, which is I think is very expensive.
If not implemented, do you have any suggestions in our problems here in country in terms of increasing population?
In terms of increasing population, I think if the area is overpopulated, some people may evacuate to some areas. For example, in Manila, they can go to Bulacan, which is not that populated.
That's all the questions I have. Thank you for answering. Good afternoon.
Welcome.
Ma'am, I would like to ask some questions.
Yes.
First of all, do you have any idea about the RH bill? If yes, what would it be?
Yes, of course. I know the RH bill so that the parents will not have many children. They must be responsible parents. They must have only one or two children in the family because it's better to have only few so that they can educate, they can give clothes, they can give everything to them. But if there are 10 or 5, what will happen to them? Maybe they cannot eat even to you.
Yes.
If the members of the family are 10, and they cannot go to good schools like you are in Don Bosco. Oh, you are in Don Bosco. I know you are rich, your parents are rich, and they are responsible ones. Oh.
Do you agree or disagree in implementing this bill?
Oh, as a Catholic, sometimes the head, the bishops, CBCP, the Catholic Bishop Conference of the Philippines, are not in favor. But I don't think so. There are also advantages and disadvantages. That's what I told you before, ahead to have that RH bill. There are advantages and there are many disadvantages also.
If the RH bill will be implemented, what will happen to our country?
If it will be implemented,
Yes.
I think if it will be implemented, the RH bill, we will be overpopulated because like China. China is a very populated country. We will be overpopulated. Masyado na tayong maraming tao kung magawan yan. Ma-approve yan. Kasi there is no birth control. Overpopulated, like Japan before, during World War II. They were overpopulated. So, they have they invaded the Philippines. That was during the World War II. Hindi pa kayo tao noon. Because overpopulation, masyado na silang maraming tao doon sa Japan noon. Now Japan is also overpopulated in the in the whole world, China is the most overpopulated nation in the world. You can see in Australia, in other parts of the Philippines, in other countries, there you can see the Chinatown. In Manila, they have Chinatown. So I have a friend from China before. A friend of mine when I was in Australia. We were talking about population, and according to them, they will not use that bill, because if they want to war, there are many of them in all parts of the world. Maraming Chinese. Yun ang reason nila. Oh. Ayan, that's the reason, according to them. According to their head. Marami tayong makikipag-kira. O ngayon, now, this Spratly Islands now is a very dangerous issue. But beware, because America will help us. They will, in the other Asian countries will help us. Did you know? Nakuha niya? Kuha niya?
Yes. Last question. If not implemented, do you have any suggestions in our problems here in our country in terms of increasing population?
Ano? Ulitin mo nga. If not implemented.
Do you have any suggestions in our problems here in our country in terms of increasing population?
Ayun. I suggest, maybe number one is to use other contraceptives. Or they will have the, what do you call that, the natural birth control. To use other contraceptives, not the RH bill. Diba? Yung dapat natural birth control na lang. Kasi kayo, you are already 4th year. And maybe after 4 years, you will be a degree holder. Then, of course, you will be having your family. Alright. So, you will know what to do. If you will marry your loved one, you must have only 1 or 2 children. Not to have many. 1 or 2 is the best. Ha? Yan ang sinabi ko. Kung dalawa lang, kahit litson, puro makasarap ang ulam, magagandang damit, magandang paaralan. Pero kung 10 or more, Sus Mariosep, yung sabi ko, parang baka tuyo, wala pa. Diba? And you will be getting the best education. Hamak ninyo, Don Bosco, class. Class. Naintindihan niyo, ano pa?
Yes.
Are you satisfied na?
Yes.
Yung ibang bills naman kasi, yung RH bill kasi, yun nga, Katoliko, kasi Katoliko rin ako. Pero, yun nga sabi ko, responsible parenthood. Hindi yung kahit na approve, yung RH bill na yan, approve or disapprove. Nasa magulang na yan eh. Oh. Nasa magulang na yan. Must have 1 or 2 only. If possible. Baka hindi nyo alam, sa mga ibang barangay, meron pag 12, 15 ang anak. Baka hindi nyo alam. Kasi dito lang kayo sa Tarlac City. Oh, sa Hirona, sa remote barrios, barangays, meron pag 12, 15 ang anak. Wala naman mga hanap buhay na maganda. O paano? Nag-aaral yung mga anak sa elementary lang, grade 6. After that, wala na. O, anong future ng mga bata? Anong future ng mga bata kung grade 6 lang? Ni Cargador hindi man siguro kukunin na pagsisweldo yung kung grade 6 lang. Kaya ang education is very important.
Thank you ma'am.
Kaya kayo, advice ko sa inyo, ilan kayo? 5. Tapos muna kayo manana. Ha?
Okay.
Kasi kahit na mayaman ang mga parents nyo, yung kayamanan nyo mauubos. Bandang huli, siyempre. Pero yung education, nandyan yan hanggang kamatayan nyo. Yun ang advice ko sa inyo. Mag-aaral kayo at magkaroon ng magandang buhay sa harap. Hindi lang kayo, pati yung mga anak nyo. Tingnan nyo sina Butchik, si Ann, tatatlo sila. At least, yung silang tatlo, na ibibigay nila ang mga magulang nila, ang mama niya, nurse. Ang papa niya, may trabaho din na maganda. Example lang yan. At saka ako rin, hindi nyo, I'm not bragging, hindi ko tinataas ang upuan ko. 3 lang ang anak ko. Ang isa, ito nga marine engineer, yung seaman, yung nakatira dito na tito ni na Al. Tapos pangalawa, Bachelor of Science in Agriculture. Tatrabaho sa Office of the Agriculture in Bulacan. At ang last, dentist, nasa Australia. Kung hindi ako nakapag-aral, mapapag-aral ko ba yung mga anak ko na gano'n? Hindi. Diba? To have a good education, you have a good family.
Okay ma'am. Thank you.
Yun lang, Lana.
Magtatanong lang po tungkol sa RH. First question. First of all, do you have any idea about RHB? If yes, what would it be?
RH bill o reproductive health bill ay bill para makontrol ang pagbubuntis. Gumagamit ito ng birth control pills o intrauterine devices.
Ano po yung pangalawang question? Do you agree or disagree in implementing this RH?
Hindi, kasi malalabag natin ang utos ng Diyos. Lalo ma-influensya ng mga bata na premarital sex.
Ano po yung third question? If the RH bill will be implemented, what would happen to our country?
Konting populasyon dahil naiwasan ang pagbubuntis.
Last question. If not implemented, do you have any suggestion in our problems in our country in terms of increasing population?
Sex education ang pwede nating alternatibo, mas comprehensive kaysa sa ginagawa ngayon at hindi lang sa mga nag-aaral, maging sa mga rural areas katulad ng squatters.
Yun lang. Salamat.